Hey y'all. I want to tell y'all about this site, you know what I mean? Right here, where, if I don't feel like making a shirt or whatnot, I'll go on this site right here, drjays.com, and I'll go find me a shirt. I got hit to drjays.com when I took a trip to New York all the way back in 2011. And, definitely is my go-to site, when I want to get fresh to death for the low. Let me show you something. Check out these jeans right here. They call them biker studded jeans by Buyer Picks. They don't list the brand on the site for whatever reason. But look, let's scroll into here. Look at that. Look at the studs on there. I swear those look like some high-profile jeans. You know what I mean? Look at the price. They $29.99. But they only have them in a size 30 by 34. So they got limited quantities of those available because I bet you they sold out fast. You know what I'm saying? They got the stud design. They got the zipper detail. They got the motorcycle style. They got the faded. They got the distress. Man, those are kind of slick. Kind of slick for $29.99. If I do say so myself. Let's go back here. Check out this. Look. That look like that's an outfit right there. All together. The Savage Studded Tee by Buyer's Picks. Once again, they do not list the brands of some items. Let's go into this shirt, though. Look at this shirt. For $10.99. They only got it available in a size small, though. That's because I bet you they sold out. Look like a Versace tee. But, of course, you see the logo is done a little different. With the Savage in there. With the studs up top. What the back look like. Nothing on the back of the tee. Plain white on the back. $10.99, folks. Can't beat that. Can't beat that at all. Let's go back. Let's see here. Rich Star. So now they listed the name of the brand. The name of the brand is Rich Star. And it's a rich studded t-shirt. Rich with studded accents across the chest. Oh, so it is studded. Kind of slick. Plain black back. Oh, I like that. That's kind of different. $34.99. Look at this one right here. Rich Star camo logo tee. So they basically got the camo, in there. They got the, like it's leaves and trees and I guess they got it going down the sleeve. Rich Star. At $24.99. That's not bad for a sort of a classic tee. And then they always have the suggestions down at the bottom. If you like that Rich Star shirt, check out these other Rich Star shirts down here. What's this? What's that? Money? It looks like money. It is money. At $25, it's kind of slick though. It's only on the front though. Black back. Alright. So let's see. Since I like rhinestones, let me search for the keyword. Rhinestones. See what comes up. Oh man. Do they list how many items? Yeah, men. 24 items with rhinestones. And ladies, girls have 8 items with rhinestones. And women have 3 items with rhinestones. And I could have swore up and down most people say rhinestones are for women. If that's the case, then Why does this site, drjays.com, have more search results for men for rhinestones than girls and women put together? Check this out. The Medusa hoodie. Sorry about that, folks. I was thirsty. Woo! Had to get my drink on. But look at that. That's that same Medusa logo. Pretty much Versace's Medusa logo. And they just, filled the face in. Changed it just a tad bit. $23.99. Woo! I couldn't even make it at that price. $23.99. That's why I like this site. You go ahead and find some stuff for the cheap. $8.99 if you want the t-shirt. Loving it. I'm loving it. Huh? $17.99 if you want it in the sequins. What's this, gold sequins? That's kind of slick, though. I like that. $18.99. I do like that. Keep on seeing what they got. Oh, that's just the quilted crew neck. Look at that. Look at that detail. Look at that pattern. $19.99. The size is small to extra large. Let's go back. Let's go back to my search. I got all off the subject. Rhinestones. Let's see what they got. So they got the Medusa heads. Most definitely. They got this, what to say, Real Baller tee. Fully studded. $11.99. Let's go back. See what else they got in stones. In stones, folks. What is the... Oh, that's kind of slick. The color skull tee. I don't know why I can't talk today. Like I said, I got cotton mouth right now. I liked it. I like it. But it'd been live if he would have added some stones to the eyes. Black stones to the eyes. Black stones to the palm trees. This may have to be a shirt that I have to redo my own rendition of that. I'm loving that. Definitely loving that. What I'll do so I can get a good image of it is I'll usually grab my crop tool, my snipping tool, and just go in there and snip it. File, save as. My Excellent Dreams folder. Colorful skull tee. Just like that. I want to make one of my own of those. Like I said, I want to add stones to the skull, add stones to the nose and eyes. Let's see here. Let's go back to the stone. Rhinestone hunting. We rhinestone hunting. Let's see. Maccoby. Now that's a good brand. I've seen a lot of Maccoby's work. They have some great work with their rhinestones. It's just got the rhinestone trim going around it right here. But this is by Hudson. Hudson have made a lot of rhinestone apparel as well. I definitely fucks with Hudson. This tee ain't bad. $19.99. The original price of it was $50. Not bad. Would have loved to see it in some different colors. Oh, here it go right here. In the black. Click on that. Yeah, and them stones definitely pop on that black. Yeah. Say revenge and stones. Now here's something that I want to point out. See the stone missing there? There was another one. There was some off kilter there. There was one. The spacing came off there. Putting rhinestones on shirts is not quite. It's not an easy job as you may think it is. You know, definitely takes some dexterity. You know, and some steady hands. Let's go back to my rhinestone. Back to the rhinestones. What was this? Hope this wasn't for no man. Oh yeah, this got to be in the wrong spot. Oh yeah, okay. Ladies, 2 teeth. But say, man, they tripping if they got that in the man's category. See how they got the stones inside of the embroidery? That's kind of slick. What's the back look like? Got the strip on the sleeve like that. Studded up back. That's kind of smooth. For $14.99 for the big men. Oh yeah, for the big and tall. That's a steal for y'all. $14.99 for sure. We rhinestone hunting. Skull Fire. Cash is King Stone Tee. Check out a few more of these. I am Groot. That's what it looked like when I first seen it. But $30, that ain't bad. Not bad at all. Got 3 different color stones in it. Plain back. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'll rock it. I'll rock with it. Are those stones? Screen print and rhinestone design with text. What are stones at? I don't see no stone. Oh, in the face. Oh, that's kind of slick. For $28. Small up to 2X. What the back look like? Flat back. Not bad. That's kind of smooth. Okay. At $28. Not bad. What's this over here? $9.99. Oh, the leopard court. That ain't bad. That's kind of slick. Alright. Search continue. Rhinestone hunting. Now, yeah, I don't really like this. That's cheesy. At $16.99, somebody will like it. What the back say? Plain back. Yeah, somebody might jump on that for sure. They just might, rock with the vibe. Or the upside down, look like a crying face heart. Not for me, though. It was all a dream. I used to wear. Oh, man. Forgot how it went. I just know it was all a dream. Might have to put on some Biggie now. That's kind of slick, though, with the puff. With the suede box, chenille patch legend with rhinestone accents going around the box. It's alright at $20. Got it in different colorways. Not bad. Oh, look at this feline shirt right here. $11.99. 3X. Told you they got some shit for you at Dr. J's. I don't want to make the video too long, so we rhinestone hunting. Couple more tees. I like these right here. What are these? Look at that Eternity again. What's that? That's a rhinestone? Where the stones at on here? I don't see them. They hit the stones good then. Must be in the tiger design. Because I can't see them. Nope. 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 But that shirt is live though. That shirt is definitely live. How much they want for it? $28.99. Yeah, that's worth $28.99. You can get added to the collection. That Eternity, I'm gonna have to look that brand up for sure. They kind of slick. Cause look at this shirt over here. That one and that one. Look at this one. The Egyptian head. Look at that print job on there. That's classy. At 41. I bet it would be 41. You ain't about to find a shirt like that. On to the next. Rhinestone hunting. I don't know why I thought those were stones. Oh, it is. Look at those gold stones going around there. At 36, that ain't bad. And they got the matching pants right here. And they got the jacket. The whole fit. You know. The whole fit. It'll cost you about $210, $220. Not bad though. You'll be stunting on them though. Think it's Versace. Look at that. Aww. That little bitty revenge going in the front. On that live ass shirt. Okay, it ain't bad. It's 23. But then it's got the plain back on it. Aw, man. Come on, Hudson. I was feeling the vibe, but now I'm like, aw, man. They want $23.99 for that one. And $23.99 for this one. I like this one too. Just don't like that little bitty revenge. They could have put that down here in the corner somewhere. Put it on the sleeve or something. Couple more shirts. Didn't want to go too long with the video. Eternity. See, now I like that with the stones in it. Eternity. What's the back? What's on the back? Okay, saucy back with it fully studded. Look at that. At $28.99. Yeah, I'm feeling the vibe. That's slick. What's this right here? I don't know why the stones, just capture me like that. I be trying to find them. Where the stones? Last two items, then I go ahead and end the video on off. Look at the stones inside the patches. $70 denim jacket. That's kind of slick. Small to extra large. What the back look like? Regular back, but that's cool. It's got the distressing and everything going on. With the stones and the patches. That's different. Ha. Now what's this? Oh, that's crazy. That look like half embossed, half stones. Raised metallic foil, half watch design. Half rhinestone crown design. That's different. I wouldn't rock it though. But it's different. What's this? Stay hungry. Alright. That's it for today, folks. And I'm out. Well,